Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I think I'd just like us to have like a chit chat of me sharing my strategies of how I launched and got 10 clients in the first 3 months of launching my freelance business. I've gotten a lot of questions on how I did it, and I just feel like I should share in this video some of the things that I did back then, of course, would be improved on, and I'll share some of the tweaks I feel like you can implement to tweak or to do now that will work for you. So I started my business as a virtual assistant. So many people know me as a virtual assistant, and then went on to become a product designer and now a full stack designer. So don't worry if you're a content writer or any niche in freelancing, these strategies would work for you. Let me start from the first one. And I always say it, and you'll think that, oh, why am I talking about finding your niche? Yes, finding your niche. Now, like you heard me narrate or summarize my journey of starting out as a virtual assistant and then becoming a product designer and now a full stack designer, you might be wondering why the change. But the truth about it is that as you work as a freelancer, work remotely, life is a journey, it's not a destination. So you keep finding yourself and finding what works best for you. As a virtual assistant, I was still offering design services to my clients, majorly social media template designs, as well as managing their social media accounts and doing a little bit of admin stuff here and there. And we just, got me to know that yes, I actually like design because I came from interior design and I would want to pursue this path. So finding that niche that works best for you, that's the foundational point, that's the starting point. If you don't know what you want to do, then how do you want to get clients? How do you want clients to find you for that specific thing that you like to offer them? That's the first thing that I want you to take note of. I know it sounds cliche, but trust me, it is not. Please find that thing that makes you spark, that gets you excited to wake up on Monday morning and actually do the work. The second strategy that I would like to share with you that helped me, I believe that's what actually helped me get 10 clients in my first 3 months. It's my portfolio. And maybe I have a little bit of advantage because I have like the design aspect of it. So I really actually designed my portfolio to the best. I mean, when I look at how I designed my portfolio in 2021, I'm still proud of myself. Okay, so having a portfolio showcase what you do, I think is really, really important. I have this client that reached out to me and said she went on my website and read everything that I put there and how it was organized and how it just generally looked, and she knew immediately that she would want to hire me. Of course, she went on to hire me. So your portfolio plays a very significant role in attracting your ideal clients. Okay, I know that some people don't have those design skills that it takes to create a stunning looking portfolio. Don't worry, I'll leave a link in the description where you can download like a sample, or if you're looking to build a website and be more professional about it as you launch, I'll also leave a link onto. Now, the next strategy that I would like us to look into is hustling smarter, not harder. As I launched my freelance business in 2021, I started out by reaching out to my immediate network, and I still feel it's an effective way for people who are especially just launching their business. But if you have started out, you now have the power of AI to assist you. When I started back then, we didn't have things like ChatGPT and Gemini accessible to the general public, or I just didn't know how to use that. But I have incorporated that into my strategies at the moment, and I feel like it's worth sharing. For example, you want to go on a platform like ChatGPT and kind of like introduce yourself a little bit, like you are talking to a business advisor, you're talking to a marketing expert, or you're talking to a friend, and say, hey, my name is Dami, I'm a full stack designer and I offer web design and branding services to the kind of people you want to include your target audience there. Include maybe your social media links, everything, your blog if you have one, everything that it can feed information from, and then ask it to create a list of potential clients that you can work with. You'll be amazed at the lists that will automatically appear, and then you can go on to do further research using ChatGPT or even Gemini as well to further streamline that list for you. So that's a way that you can, get clients and send out that portfolio that we talked about before. Send out that portfolio with a little message to those clients, and all of this can be done using AI. But I still feel like the best way to start is start with your network. That's if you're just starting out. Why? Because it gives you room to test, especially for new freelancers, people that are new to the game. It gives you room to test with familiar people, and they're a little bit more forgiving, at least in my case. And you get referrals, those referrals that you need, the testimonials that you need to even plunge forward. You get it easier from your immediate network. So I feel like if you're just starting out, then that's a good place to start. The next strategy that I would like to share that helped me keep these clients long term is to wow your clients every time. What I like to do is to under promise and over deliver. Okay, I'll say it again: under promise and over deliver. Don't go telling your clients that you deliver X and X at Y time and then you don't do that. You lose their trust a little bit. I mean, even if it's somebody that you know that you are working with. Because I always under promise and over deliver, I got a particular client that kept referring me. In fact, 99% of my client base came from referrals, all right, because I was doing an excellent job. So you always want to wow your clients. Please do your business with excellence. Please do your business with integrity. Some of these values may seem like it's very simple, but they are very, very important, and it will keep you in business for a very long time. The final point I would want to leave with you is to keep learning. If you haven't learned anything from my journey and from my little chit chat with you today, is that I kept learning. I didn't stay as a virtual assistant. I kept learning and I went on to be a product designer, and I'm now a full stack designer. Okay, so keep learning. If you look at the goal that you have in your mind and you don't have all the skill sets that you need to get there, don't give up. Just keep learning. Even if you're in that niche that you like and you are super excited to be working in, there's always a way to do things better. Even as a full stack designer, I'm still learning. So don't stop learning. Always look for ways to deliver better services, because we are service-based businesses. How to improve on your client experience, how to improve on your customer experience, even if it's in those soft skills that doesn't technically or generally have to do with your technical skills. Always keep learning. This is why we have the Scale Up Circle mentoring community. I feel like, especially in 2025, it's a time where freelancers need to come together and have that community to support each other. One of the snags of working as a freelancer is that you can tend to be lonely or just be in your own world or in your own bubble. But the Scale Up Circle community is a place where you can rub minds with people that are in the same field as you, people that are working from their homes or from coffee shops or wherever they are in the world. You can meet people globally and just connect and learn stuff. All right, learning from your peers, that's what we call peer-to-peer learning from mentors or people in the industry that have gone ahead of you, and knowing or noting how they are doing stuff and how you can improve on your own system and your own business structure. So if it's something that you're interested in, I'll also leave the link in the description so that you can just fill out the form and we'll get back to you. I hope that all these strategies that I shared, when you implement them, it works for you, because it worked for me. I'm trusting that I'll also hear your story, your success story of how you have gone on to land multiple clients in such a short time. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. I'm so glad that you are here. Please click the like button. Please share this video with someone that you think would need it, and also please subscribe to my channel. I know it doesn't do anything for you, but it does a lot to me, and it helps me to keep creating this video. Till the next time I come your way again, cheers.